Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install BOTIM free video and audio calling apps. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So we need to go a Play Store. If you are a App Store iPhone user, then go to App Store. Okay, then search here on the search box BOTIM. Okay, and then just click here. Wait a second please. And then we're just gonna see I have already downloaded this app in my device. Install this. If you check the review and ratings about this app, then you can see here 4.4 ratings and 1 million reviews. So many people give review this about this in this apps, and 50 million people downloaded this app. Okay, so this is really good. So simply click install, then it will be installed on your device. Okay friend, today is Noma and thank you for watching this video.